How to create a landing page with Canva step by step. So go ahead and open your browser. Now go to Canva website, and the first thing that you need to consider is whether you want to start from scratch or you might want to look for a template in Canva. So let's first try the easier way, and that is by using available templates in Canva. To look for templates, just click on the search engine in the middle of the page and then type in keywords that will show your desired template. So in our case, since we want to create a landing page, we need the words website landing page. So just type that in and enter. This may take a while, and once it's done loading, you will see freely available templates that you can edit and personalize for your own landing page. Now you have variety of choices in here with different themes, different color palettes, font combinations, and different elements. Just different layout overall. So just scroll through this page and then click on the one that you really like. There are so many things that you can use as a template, and one good feature that using templates can give is actually convenience. It's basically making our life easier since we don't need to start from scratch anymore. Now I will choose this neutral, just brown muted theme page, and once you click this, you will then be directed into this editing page, and you will see the title name of the template, and what you need to do is to simply click on the customize button, and you will then be directed to another tab where you can edit the template. Once you're here, what you need to focus on is the things that you want to change. So let's say you're satisfied with the tabs already. So just leave that as is. And of course, we need to change the name or the title of the site. Change the pictures if you want. Change some colors that you want to align to your branding. And then you can play around with the shapes and then add any elements as much as you can. You can utilize this tab to look for graphics, images, and any stickers that you want to add into your landing page. Now, if you want to do it from scratch, go back to the homepage of Canva. First step is to choose the size of your landing page. If you're going to make a landing page for a desktop view, then a 16 by 9 resolution will do. And the poster choice is also good size for a mobile landing page. Now I'll be choosing the presentation one, the 16 by 9. And then once you're in the editing page, you will see a blank canvas on your screen since we'll be starting from scratch. On the side part, you can see a lot of tabs, and the first thing that you can edit is the background color of your site. Click on this color palette, and here you have all the colors that you can choose from. Now I have here an inspiration from Pinterest that I want to turn into my website landing page. You can also search for pegs and inspirations from Google, from literally anywhere. And since this has a muted gray or just whitish background, I will choose this color close to that shade. Once you're satisfied with it, I will now be adding the rectangles or the shapes into the page. First one is this division. To use some shapes, click on the Elements tab that can be found here on the left side, and then use the search engine to type in anything that you want. Since I only need rectangle, then let's search for that and then add it to the canvas. Now on top of the site division is a photo. One feature that Canva offers that you can use is the frames. To access it, again, go to the Elements tab and then look for frames. Once you have shapes with this image, click on it, and here you can actually upload a photo, and then once you put it on the top, you can lock it in. So for example, I want this photo to be in this irregular circle shape. So just put that on the canvas, upload a photo, drag it on top of the frame, and it will then automatically be attached to the shape of the frame. This is one of the best features that Canva offers to make our layout progress easier. Now I only need a rectangle one, so let's choose that. Upload the photo in the Upload tab, put it on the canvas, and attach it to the frame. Another thing that you can do is to edit and enhance your photo by clicking on this edit photo. Here you have a variety of effects and manual adjustments to make sure that your image fits the theme of your landing page. It is important that your images and other elements in the page are matching so that it is pleasing to look at. Once you're done with your photos, you can now proceed to the text needed in the page. So proceed to that tab, the text tab. Here you can add a header, a subheading, and a body, which will obviously depend on what text you're trying to place on your image. Now for the title, of course, we will be choosing the heading. So just type in the name of your website, and once you're done, tap here to choose the font style. These are some of the free fonts available on Canva, but if you want to add more and access locked fonts, you can simply subscribe to Canva Pro to have more stylish fonts. Here you can also choose the color, and from our inspo it will simply be a navy blue. So yeah, it's basically close to black. So I'll just add that, and I'll add a huge text here as well. Now we move on to the tabs. A subheading size here will do, and once you're done, proceed to the smallest text and body. Once that is done, I'll be adding final touches. So I'll be adding lines. So go to Elements tab again, search for lines and choose in here. Add it to the canvas and adjust it based on your preference or the peg for your landing page. And just like most of the website landing page, the bottom part is for contacts like email, social media accounts, address if applicable, and other information. So a tip to make this sleek and clean is to use icon. So for email, search for this Gmail icon or Yahoo icon. And then after uploading and positioning it, add your email address. So just simply do that to all of your accounts that you want to display, like contact number, you can add a phone icon. For Facebook, just simply put the icon with the F. Do that to Instagram, TikTok, and all of the platforms that your audience can reach you. After that, you can then download the image to apply it on your website. Canva is a great accessible platform that everyone can use, not only in landing pages, but in presentations, posters, resumes, and a lot more for free. And a premium subscription will definitely open your canvas to better elements and greater range of functionality. So that is how to make a website landing page in Canva step by step for free. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.